Rice, we are going to have a rally with Chief Minister and then Mr. Sandeep Patra. Let's see, all the people are going to cooperate and then collaborate. Let's go for a walk with CM.
See, this is go to hills.
Okay. Yes.
Administration is coming to you.
With the simple mothers, and he's signing some agreement for them. Hopefully it's a productive work and we can expect something great from them.
aduga bank mi do imono phone ko cooperative mi do adu salo imono phone to lo aduga noi gi la iba ma phone ko kari kari yo lage ga sigya ha nang la ma si afi yak nuai la afi awa noi na khoi gi hujik na loan sida maina street pham se sigi loan pir ga da bani aduna list go noi sigi khoi gi kanu lai dai khoi gi sigi mandal gi president long up karba moi list khombir oduga ada imone application thuru la ado sir how ekhoi gi tang ku ge hincha si shukra nuai kere what is he saying अच्छा ले जाइए बोला
हाँ गिफ्ट वन सब्जी टू हिट इधर आओ कम हियर उनको बोलो कि ये गिफ्ट करेगा नहीं बिना प्लास्टिक के नो प्लास्टिक ऐसे हाथ में करेगा
Simplicity of life.
अब यार बस दो अब दो
Chief Minister and then the spokesperson of BJP, they are roaming around the market and just vlogging and enjoying it. It's quite interesting. I think he's going to take the list of people out here and then most probably some developments will be brought by him.
Yes, join it over application street vendor view we can have here kan ya ki la sa pang phelo non sa
He's so happy and so glad. How do you feel that the Chief Minister of Manipur is roaming around in Ukhrul district?
Oh yeah, I'm enjoying. I'm very appreciate.
Yeah, I will be talking to a lady out here. She is also a member of this BJP. You were president. You were president. How is your impression when the Chief Minister and then the spokesperson of BJP was roaming around in Ukhrul town?
I think I am very impressed, and so far I've never really come across or experienced such kind of thing, such a humble act from from such a top person, dignified people from Manipur. So I'm really impressed. So I don't know about others, but then so far as far as I'm concerned, and so far as I know, I'm very happy with our Chief Minister.
Thank you. That's good. That's good. So right now I'm with the BJP president.
Yes.
And I'm so grateful that you are giving me some time. And you've been part of this BJP ruling government. What is your opinion about this BJP government?
BJP government, see, I'm the president, so definitely I have very good hopes and good words for the government. And everybody knows that in Manipur, BJP has done exceptionally well. Yes, and our honorable CM is doing a fantastic job in keeping peaceful and law and order and development issues in the priority of his agenda. So we are very happy. We want to go in this very positive direction.
And today the Chief Minister has shown this humility by roaming around in the streets. So, what is your impression about the Chief Minister?
Oh, Chief Minister, as I said, he's fantastic. He's almost an avatar for us. In the past 15 years of government and even before that, you have seen that Manipur was literally on a stagnant stage. There was no development, there was insurgency problem, law and order problem. Women and children were not safe anymore. But with our CM, we are seeing that law and order is taken care of. We have no bans and blockades.
Yes,
The youths are more concentrated on education and skill development and entrepreneurship. So it's a very good, I'm just not saying it because I'm in the party and I'm the Mahila president. Everybody can see that there is massive, tremendous development, all-round development in the state of Manipur.
Holistic development is taking place in the states. What is your message for tangkhul ladies? Because you being a woman and actively involved. What is your message for tangkhul ladies?
Tangkhul ladies are wonderful, and as we have in the folk tales, we have this story of tangkhul being our brother and sisters, Meitei and tangkhul. So tangkhul ladies are all my inau nupis and their iches, and tangkhul women cook very well. They are very hard work, very pretty. They have a lovely complexion, and I love this tangkhul shawl, so I'm wearing it.
That's good.
So the tangkhul women are the best.
All the best for your future career.
Thank you.
Bye bye. So that was a short moment with the BJP Mahila president. It was cool time. Chief Minister na tada yok tik zakje na li ring pa ma sam da ring pa yang na Chief Minister li ki hangai kare
Chief Minister le ring pan na he de chi hang nai
ring pa nai re da yang jo ishi tang khol na na li ni so la ka tada yok tik zakje na li hang lo chi ka tada hang ra
바닥에 희그다 그 사이에는 이동의 그 봉안의 담바구의 relationship을 탕섭을 아둠나 이가다 비즈니스 그 사업왕이